Hey guys, it's Alexis, Sophie Leather. Welcome back. All right, so I'm officially offering my Firefighter radio straps. I finished my first one in a while, and I want to showcase that. Here it is right here. This is Firefighter radio strap. This is the premium version. Okay. This is Herman Oak natural vegetan dyed black with a nice finish on it. The holster, Herman Oak dyed black with the D-ring, the way I do things, which connects to your I forgot what you call that, anti-sway strap. Solid brass hardware and brass rivets. Hand stitched using Ritza Tiger thread, 0.8 millimeter thread. But this is what I'm really interested in. And you guys know who's watched me for a long time. I do not like painting or stamping. I just don't like it. So if you follow me on Instagram, you already know. But I want to show you what I come up with. And yes, I am buying an X-Tool P2 laser. I don't have it yet. I'm outsourcing my nameplates for now. But this is what I'm going to start offering as far as names. Ain't that neat? I love that. It is pretty slick. That is glued using the flat press. It has an adhesive behind this piece of material here. And then I rivet it in and then I stitch it in place. See? Can you see that? It's stitched. Yep, stitched in place as well. So this is a 6-inch plate. It's gonna come standard and I can put, it's a 6-inch plate and it's standard and I can put whatever name you want in there. Now, it doesn't only come in red. I have plenty colors. If you go to my website, links in the description, and you go to the bottom of that product page, you'll see, I'm gonna do this on the top of my head, but I think you have red to black, meaning the base is gonna be red and the letters are gonna be black. Then I have gray to black, black to gold, black to silver, blue to black, pink to black, green to black, OD green to black, purple to black, raw hide, raw leather color to black. I think I'm missing a couple, but you can scroll down, you can see different options, so you can pick from an array of different color schemes, as well as your hand stitch color scheme as well. I am going to offer this radio strap in natural, the natural leather, which is basically just a natural vegetan. Black, like you see here, as well as red and dark brown. Okay, the dark brown from Georgia, boy, like that sweet tea right there, dark brown. The dark brown is not a super rich dark color brown. It's more like the dark brown that I offer for my Dragon Slayers. So if you look at the Dragon Slayer suspenders, that dark brown is a dark brown that will come. Another thing to mention here is that this style nameplate is going to be offered, and I'm offering this style nameplate for my suspenders as well, and I will be offering a tool belt eventually down the road. So for my suspenders and my premium radio strap, I'm going to offer this style nameplate and my tool belt as well. The tool belt is going to be horizontal. It's going to be oriented horizontally. In other words, the name is going to be displayed this way, horizontally, not vertically. That's easy. Easy on the CAD system there to do that. But you guys can feel free to order. I'm like 2 months out right now. And yeah, I look forward to doing business with you. Thank you very much for your business and for your prayers and for everything. This is just amazing. I'm excited, I'm eager, and I thank God for this opportunity. It's a gift. A gift He gave me. This work is a gift. My family's a gift. I just thank God for all of it. So I'm just excited to be here. I want to crank out some more leather. And yeah, links in the description if you want to help support me and get an awesome radio strap. By the way, this is going to last forever. This is lined with Herman Oak in the back as well. So you have a finished product in the back and a finish in the front. It's not going to bleed. The top coat I used was Resolene on this. I was using tan coat before, but Resolene really It's less permeable and really helps prevent some bleed. So that's something new I'm doing as well. But yeah, that's it. That's all I got for you. I keep adding stuff to this video, but I am adding decorative lining to all my stuff. I don't know if you see that. On all of my leather. You can actually see that here as well. See, I have that decorative line there as well. And I'm using the English point tips versus a round tips. I don't know, I just like that look better. You see the English point versus round tips. One thing I am changing as well is, by the way, this video is not scripted, but one thing I am doing as well is I'm getting away from black hardware and stainless steel, simply because I'm trying to streamline things and nobody really bought them anyway. So I am only offering brass and antique brass. So if you want to antique brass, I'll just have to antique it here, which is not hard to do. I actually have a video on how to do that. You can check the leather tips playlist. That's all I got for you guys. It's tired. I had a long weekend, a lot of good fellowship, a lot of brothers and sisters from church. It was a blast, but I'm tired, ready to hit the sack. Tomorrow's the Lord's Day, and I'm eager to worship Him. I'm super excited and about what's going on, what God's doing in my life with everything. So thank you very much. I'm excited. And I said that many times, but I just am. All right, so I'm gonna get out of this shirt. If you notice, I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt, and it is, I ran out of shirts. And it's really hot in Florida, and I don't know why I'm wearing this, but I had to put on something for this video. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Talk to you later, bye.